Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. This is our evening time, drive time update. Wow, I'm just telling you guys that, crypto sucks right now. It really sucks. Remember, everything you see here is not financial advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor. I tell you, everything sucks. We're seeing right now that the pre-markets are down. We're seeing that the Dow is down, the Nasdaq is down, and we're seeing that everything is just down. And if right now, if we take a look at also the heat map in the house, the heat map is also looking pretty gnarly in the house. We're seeing that Bitcoin is at 28,149. So it's not looking good, guys. Ethereum is down, but I'm going to be here to give you some opioid, and I absolutely believe that we're going to see a reversal in June, guys and gals. So I still believe it. Luna's like deep in the toilet. So if you bought Luna, I'm sorry that you bought Luna because it's right now it's in the toilet. It's like a big turd and it's about to flush. So Luna's at 4 cents and it's going down to zero, guys. It's absolutely at 4 cents. I mean, you can see it right here, guys. You can see here Luna at 4 cents, guys and gals. It's right there. It's just insane, guys. Luna's at 4 cents. Can you believe it? And we're seeing that also to the UST, which is Terra, is at 61 cents. So it's just insane. And it's over, guys. It's over for Luna. It's over for the UST. The other thing that we're seeing as well is we're seeing that also the US Tether as well is also becoming unpegged. So that is not good, guys. That we're seeing that the US Tether is also becoming unpegged. So that is dangerous in the house. We're seeing that Tether USD is at 96 cents, and that is not good. That's absolutely not good in the house. That US Tether is at 96 cents. Is there a chance of it being unpegged? Yeah, it's at 96. I think it's going to recover. It may take a couple of weeks to recover. So that's also putting a lot of jitters in the market because anything that you say is stablecoin or algorithmic stablecoin, everybody's just panicking and going cuckoo out there. So we're seeing right now that the algorithmic stablecoin is at the US Tether is at 96. So a lot of people are actually selling their crypto and moving it into dollars right now. And also we're seeing that a lot of people also moving it into USDC because USDC is a pretty stable, and also we're seeing that the USB, the Binance stable coin, is also going up as well. So that's pretty good. But right now we're seeing that US Tether is at about 8% discount. So a lot of people are panicking. A lot of people are saying, OMG, it's becoming unpegged. And as it becomes unpegged, everybody's becoming unglued. Everybody's becoming unglued. And everybody's just going nuts in the house. So things are not looking good. And, right now we're seeing that, Luna, once again, it's now at 3 cents, guys. It's now at 3 cents. So I'm just watching this, guys. Look, you can see right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. You can see that Luna is at 3 cents. It's insane, guys. We got the red chair of knowledge. I'm going to be sitting over there in a second, but we're seeing that Luna's going. It's now at 3 cents. I'm going to be watching this, and I'm going to be making a bonfire because I bought some Luna yesterday, as I said, and I bought a little bit of Luna this morning. So I expect to be losing. I think I spent about 3K. So I'm expecting to lose all of that, guys. So I just burned like 3K. I burned 3K. So it's kind of crazy, and Looney Tunes out there. So I'm just feeling like it's weird, guys. It's absolutely weird. It's almost laughable that this is actually happening. I've seen some weird and wacky stuff, but I have not seen this happen before. For a really good project like Luna, that it becomes depegged, and it's kind of like a form of a rug pull. There was third parties that attacked it, destabilized it, tanked it, and this just drove the confidence out of the market, and everybody is panicking. It's just chaos out there. So what you should be doing right now is just let the dust settle. I think that we're going to get a reversal. We can see that BTC today it did hit a low. I'm looking at the charts. It did hit a low as 26,591. So we're like at $28,000. So we are coming back. We're still well below our $29,000 support zone, and $28,000 is not too bad, in hindsight. If we look at Bitcoin on the weekly chart, we've just blown past my blue box over there. So, we're below the blue box. So, that's not good, guys. And I did foretell that, we could be going as low as about $25,000. So we haven't quite gone that low yet. We could be going as low as 25,000. So hopefully that doesn't happen, guys. So hopefully we will not see any more bleed out, because if we get closer to the minor capitulation at $21,000, it's going to be nasty. But there is some opioid. There's absolutely some opioid out there. Capitulation is absolutely here. And we are seeing a capitulation, and Bitcoin will bounce back. There will be a rainbow after the storm. There always is a rainbow after the storm, and we're definitely going to go up. I believe that June things are going to be better. Bitcoin. This is from TA Analyst in the house. You can see it up there. Is that it's time to be ready. 2022 has not had the last word yet, and he believes that we're going to see the fifth historical bull run start. So that's going to be pretty good if it does start. Also, some other stuff that's coming in as well. Another one from TA Alice, we can see this huge falling wedge up there. And if the lower line of the falling wedge holds, then we're going to see a bullish breakout, and it's likely to be coming in weeks. So, we could be expecting a bullish breakout in a couple weeks. So you guys are just going to have to hold and, wait for this madness. Wait for the madness. The madness to end. I'm not losing my mind a little bit. I'm losing my mind. But we're just going to have to wait for this madness to end. Another one from TA Analyst says every time the 2-week RSI reaches 4.5, BTC was on the bottom. So I think we're definitely in the bottom zone, and a bull run happened in the following month. So like I said, we're in May now, June, July. I think we're going to get a reversal. I think, conclusion, you guys are just going to have to eat the madness. Accept the madness out there, and it's madness out there. It's absolutely insane in the membrane. It's completely madness. Also, this coming in, there were some rumors that Gemini was going to give 100K Bitcoin loan to Luna, and and this was kind of done on the quiet with Dogecoin as well. And that Dogecoin sold Luna and and Dogecoin was the actual cause of it, and it was intended. So Gemini says, that they were not involved in Luna's price decline. Gemini, via its official Twitter handle, has denied early rumors that the company contributed to Luna's price plunge after loaning 100,000 Bitcoin, worth about 2.8 million at the time of writing. So they're denying any involvement in crashing the Luna out there. I mean, that's what they're saying, right? That's what they're saying. Who knows what the truth is out there? Who knows what the truth is? Like, the X-Files of Mulder out there. Nobody knows what the truth is. Absolute madness. So, if we take a look at Luna again, Luna's at 3, not even 4 cents, at 3 cents. So we're going to be watching this party, go down to zero. We're going to see Luna the tuna going to be bye-bye. History in the making. It's happening, guys and gals. So that's what it is. And if we take a look at the leverage apes in the house right now, the leverage apes right now is 1.27 billion, guys. 1.27 billion. 1.27 billion of leverage apes got wreckety-wrecked out there. And that's 403,000 traders have been wrecked. Of course, it's all longs, guys, because that's why Bitcoin is going down. But can you imagine that wreckage out there? We're seeing that right now for the price of Dogecoin is at time of recording is about 7.5 cents in the house, so that is nasty. Our next support zone is 6 cents in the house. Ethereum right now is trading at time recording 1892. So it's just insane. The total market cap right now is at 1.2 trillion. The volumes are almost getting pretty close to $200 billion worth of volume. Wow. The Bitcoin dominance, you guys can see it right here, guys. The Bitcoin dominance is almost at 43. It's just insane. It's absolutely insane in the membrane, and it's crazy. I'm gonna get in the red chair of knowledge out there. A knowledgeable chair. So yeah, this is just a bit of a rant, a bit of a rave to all of you. the OG, of course, I didn't come out unscathed in this whole process. Of course, I got scathed. My crypto portfolio is down, a couple houses right now. It's down like 52%. I got another good buddy out there. He's down like 60%. He got totally killed out there. But what he did is he bought more crypto today. He bought XMR, guys. So I'm going to be buying. From my plan is I'm going to wait for the dust to settle a little bit. I'm probably going to give it about 48 hours. And see what happens. Either we're going to be going down some more or we're going to stabilize. I think we're going to stabilize. We're seeing that the pre-markets are a little bit green right now, but that doesn't mean anything because, the pre-market indicators, they can often change and make us go nuts in the house, So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be waiting about 48 hours for the dust to settle. I've already given up on Luna. The 3K that I invested, it's gone. It's out of there. It's basically... It's gone. I flushed that. So that's gone. My wife is mad. Of course, she's like, yeah, I told you. She did tell me. She did tell me, don't buy Luna. Luna's going to zero. But, I just thought that, maybe there was a very small chance that the project could be saved. It's not over yet. It's still not zero. It's still not a goosey egg out there. But, overall, I basically resigned to the fact that Luna is done. UST is done. It's done. So, yeah, it's gone. So, like I said, I'm just going to be chilly willing for about 48 hours. I'm not going to be doing anything. And let's let the dust settle. See if Bitcoin can stabilize and get itself back up to 31,000. If that happens, then I will start buying the altcoins slowly. I'll start buying more Bitty. I'm going to start to buy some more Ethereum as well. But I just want to wait for the dust settles. If it does start to collapse even further, then I'm going to wait till Bitcoin goes below $21,000 because that is a minor capitulation line. And if the miners start dumping their Bitcoin, it's over, guys. It's game over. Bitcoin will go down to like $5,000 in the house, not 5,000, but $10,000 in the house. It could go sub 10K. That could happen. That could absolutely happen. Out there, guys, take a look at my view. Take a look at the view over there. Yeah, you see the beach over there. So you got half my face. Hey guys, I'm here. So I'm at the beach. Well, I'm not at the beach. I live near the beach. So could Bitcoin go down below 10,000? It's not impossible. It's not out of the realm of possibilities. But like I said, I'm not doing anything. I'm going to wait till the dust settles out there. There's a beach, guys. I'm just waiting for the bus. Yeah, I'm waiting for the bus. I might be taking the bus soon. I might have to sell my car to buy more crypto. You know what I mean? So it's a pretty. Can I say the word crappy? Can I say crappy on YouTube? I don't know. I said it. It's a turd of a day. I've never seen this guy, so I'm going to wait for the dust settle again, and I will see how we go. If we get close to the capitulation, 21,000, then I will not buy, and I will wait till it goes down. But I still believe, maybe I'm crazy, maybe I'm just a moon boy, that I think that we will see a recovery in the next couple months. And, there will be a rainbow. There absolutely will be a rainbow out there. I know a lot of you guys are hurting. I know a lot of you out there have used their credit card to buy crypto and use debt to finance buying crypto, and that's not smart. If you did that, well, I do feel sorry for you because you're hurting, but that's not smart. Remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose. Remember, most of the money is made in the bear times like this because, there's a huge discount out there, but everybody's skittish because they're like wondering, these layer 1, layer 2s, could they go the same route as Luna? So, my best advice on that is look at the project. If they have an algorithmic stable coin, don't buy into the project right now. Because right now, algorithmic stable coins are like Superman's kryptonite right now. Like anything that's stable coin, algorithmic stable coin, anything that says stable coin is bad. People are like, stable coin. And this whole Luna debacle, it's not going to also be good because the government is going to use this as the poster child for regulation and tough regulation on stable coins. So, that if these tough regulations come out, it could impact U.S. US Tether, and you know, but basically that's the backbone of the crypto world, and that could be the thing that could tank crypto real tanky. So you know, if Tether had collapsed, wow, 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 wow. So that's not good. So we'll just have to keep on keeping on. You know, 2025 is maybe the next point of breakout to the upside. Maybe we got to wait till 2025. I don't know. I mean, listen, I'm a long-term holder. If I have to wait till 2025, I don't care too much about it, but I know a lot of you can't wait to 2025. A lot of you put your rent, you know, put your groceries money into crypto. You shouldn't have done that. Big mistake. But you know, if you do have some small cash on the sidelines, not financial advice, just wait for the dust to settle. Give it about 48 hours. See what happens with Bitcoin. See what happens with Ethereum. See what happens with the Doge or Wozer. I mean, it's sad for the Doge. You know, Doge is like sub 10 cents. Like, who could imagine? Who could imagine? Who could imagine that Dogecoin and Luna would have happened? I cannot imagine. And you know, because Luna was you know one of the top cryptos out there. You know, it wasn't like Pupush Metacoin 300 or something. If that was like that, then nobody would have cared. But because Luna, you know, was a big cap crypto, it blew the confidence. Everybody's lost confidence in crypto. Everybody's saying that crypto's a big Ponzi scheme out there. It's not. Crypto's here to stay. It's a financial revolution, and some bad actors decided to bring it down, guys. Was Do Kwon part of the bad actors? Was he involved in this whole debacle? I don't know. The jury's still out. Some people are saying he was. Some people are saying he's not. I can't speak to that because I don't have the facts out there. So, guys, this is going to bring this one to a close. I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. It is nutsoid out there. It is pandemonium out there. It is a tragic, tragic day for crypto. It's a tragic, tragic day for all of you out there in YouTube land. Your portfolios are definitely underwater. You know, the only saving grace, if you had a large amount of Bitcoin, it's a bit of a saving grace. So that's why I say diversification. That's why I have 50% of my portfolio in Bitcoin, 25% in Ethereum, and the rest in the big caps and some small caps. But luckily I did sell most of my Luna. I actually sold it all. I did buy back, as I said, because I thought it was going to go up. But it's, Luna's gone to zero. It's over. So, I mean, if there's some kind of miracle, like some white knight last minute miracle, where suddenly we start to see Luna going up, well, gee whiz Louise, wouldn't that be fantastic? So, guys and gals, be blessed out there. Cheer up already, okay? Stop looking at your portfolio. You know, go hug your wife. Your wife is. You may not be able to hug your wife. Some of you guys out there, the wifey may be a little bit upset, and when they see the portfolio is down 60%. It's life, guys. We'll get through this. I'm with you guys, step by step. I'm with you. I love you guys. I love the community. And I'm sorry this is happening to all of us. Me too. I'm down. But I'm trying to keep positive, guys. Street causes. Tomorrow's another day. We will get back up there. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. God bless you all. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Wish it could be better. I'll see you in the next one.